In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google three-dimensional animals. So for that, you want to go to Google, of course, and you want to search for an animal. So I'm going to search for a lion. So search for an animal, and then you can scroll down. Then right there, you'll see meet a life-sized lion up close. You can then click on view in 3 dimensions, and then right there, you'll see it, right? You can zoom in, you can like change the angle by doing this. Okay, you can do that, this, all of this, okay? But you can also click on view in your space, which is right there. So I'm gonna do that right now, and that's what you wanna do as well. So click on view in your space, and then first let's find the ground. So you then wanna like point your phone downwards and move it around, which I'll do right. Okay, there we go. So right there we've got the line. You can then move this around, so you can put it right there. Let's say you wanna put it right there. It's right there, right? It's moving as well. You can also put it right there or like right in front of you. So it's right there behind me. But that's pretty much how you can do this, right? So you can do this with any animal. Just search for the animal on Google, then scroll down, click on view in 3D, and then click on view in your own space. And that's pretty much how you can do this. So if you enjoyed that video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments if you're going to use it, and then I'll see you next time.